this is a story all about how Europe got flipped, turned upside down. So let's take it back a couple hundred years to European nations when Greek people appeared. Years ago, the Renaissance was in full swing. New arts, old farts, and studying. Humanism guiding society. Nations ruled with absolute monarchy. Years later, the religious Reformation broke out. Luther and Calvin gained a lot of clout. Protestants and Catholics couldn't agree, so they started a war to be religiously free. In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. With the age of exploration, he wasn't alone, wanting new trade routes and foreign control. The scientific revolution is next. New methods, new theories, solving stuff that's complex. The Enlightenment applied these principles to every day. Philosophers reasoned societal ways. Absolutists adopted these ideas as well. But the French Revolution wasn't so swell. Feudal ways were no longer accepted. The war was fought, Napoleon was elected. Then he abused his power and got arrested. Industrialization changed life for good. Farms turned to cities, kids had no childhood. It was about time peace united countries. The concert of Europe made balance a guarantee. In the second industrial revolution, industries grew and prospered, and new opposing ideologies were fostered. Foreign lands were colonized once again, but when countries got busy, this came to an end. Tensions formed, Ferdinand was killed. World War I left countries ill. The Treaty of Versailles was a bad resolution. During the war was the Russian Revolution. Inflation, depression, and the rise of crazy rulers. New attitudes of a hopeless future. No way out of the Second World War. Allied powers once again left Axis power sore. But the Cold War thankfully never got hot. Iron Curtain hid the Eastern Bloc plot. Anti-communism grew and electronics evolved. Big thanks to Gorbachev for not getting involved. The Cold War ended, life was finally fair. Now we've made it to the present, thanks for letting us share.